So hey guys, I know it's pretty late, but there's a question that I get asked almost every time, and most of my fans also reached out to me and asked me how to differentiate a shogun from a samurai, because a lot of shoguns that we see these days are actually not shoguns, but they are samurais masquerading as shoguns. They are basically painted and stickered to look like a shogun. Okay, so there are basically two telltale signs that can tell you whether it's a shogun immediately. So first thing is obviously the cylinder head. So if you look closely, a shogun cylinder head is little bigger than a samurai cylinder head. So it basically has these three fins. Okay, you see these three fins, and then there is the actual head. So if I show you from here, you can see there are three distinct fins. Okay, so that tells you whether it's a shogun or a shaolin. Then what you have is the power box. So this power box is also specific to shogun. Samurais don't have that. Now the next question that I get asked is, if I, let's say, get before I forget, there is a marking on the other side on the engine, which unfortunately I don't think I can show you right now, which also is used to identify whether it's a shogun. The other question that I get asked most of the time is, can we convert a samurai to a shogun? The answer to that is no. The reason being, if you look at this engine, these covers are common across all Suzuki two-stroke bikes. The other side cover is also common, but what is not common is the crankcase. Okay, the crankcase is bigger for a shogun and also for a shaolin. The cylinder is bigger, the head is bigger, the carburetors are different. So if you want to convert a samurai to shogun, essentially you will be changing the whole engine. So that doesn't make financial sense, but there are some really nice things that you can do to a samurai, like you can probably port it and make it a little bit more powerful than what it is already. So that would definitely make a change. A couple of things that I love about the shogun. First of all, it has some really clever bits. If you see this nut, the one that I'm pointing at, that is actually used to check the oil level, which is pretty clever. You can just open that and drain the oil from there also. I think there's another drain nut here, so if you open this and there is no oil coming out, that means the entire clutch case is pretty dry, and that would mean that your clutch plates are destined to go. Apart from that, it also has a very nice choke system, minus this stupid thing here, but actually it has in the handle, so which was later adopted by Yamaha for the RXGs. I'm not sure whether it was copied from here, but that feature came later on, but Suzuki's of the day already had it. Other than that, the lighting on this is amazing. It came with a factory 9000 kit, so the lighting on a Suzuki bike is at par with what you see today's with the four strokes. The old Suzuki two-stroke bikes have amazing lighting. People had adopted the lighting coil from a samurai or a shogun onto an RX. They have shoehorned it, and they called it a 9000 kit. Those used to produce a very nice throw of the beam. So that was a little bit of trivia, though my idea was to just tell you how to find out whether it's a shogun or a samurai. Alright, so I'll try to come up with more such informative bits once in a while. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.